So many hypnotherapists are scared to get on camera and either record videos or do lives. And they go, oh, it's because I've not done it before. It's because I can't speak properly. It's because I mumble, I stumble. I need the script. I need this. I need that. And all these other people, they look so professional and so amazing. I can't do it. Again, it is really, really straightforward. There's two things. Stop overthinking and then just practice, 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 practice. I ran a couple of groups, a couple of kind of workshops last year called Get Seen, Go Live, or Go Live and Get Seen, because there were so many people, not just in the hypnotherapy world, but in the single person business world, who are just so scared of going live or doing even recorded videos because there's this fear of being judged, that their family, their friends, their ex-colleagues are going to go, oh, what are you talking about? You haven't got a clue. And all this kind of thing. Get over yourself. And I mean that in the nicest way possible. You have a skill, you have an ability, you've picked a niche. There are people out there that want your help. And one of the best ways to demonstrate your ability to help people is to do videos, whether they're live or recorded, because then people can see the real you. You can't hide behind a mask. You can't get somebody else to write the Facebook post for you. This is you, warts and all. And one thing I think is really important that we tend to forget about is, yes, okay, if you are a photographer, if you are a videographer, if you are a makeup artist, if you are some kind of designer, then yeah, the presentation side of things is really, really important. But in our world, in the therapy world, people are coming to you for help. They want to see if they know you, like you, and trust you. Do you know what you're talking about? That's what they want. So they want to see the real you. They want to see you warts and all. You know, they're not bothered whether you mumble or stumble, if you look away or look down, or you knock your microphone, or you I can't say it, so you gesticulate. Don't worry about making mistakes. This is who I am. Yeah, my beard's not trimmed, my hair's up in places. So what? People don't come to me because of how I look. They come to me because I know. See, I said that wrong again. They come to me because they know I can do a good job. I can help them get what they want. I can help them get rid of what they want. I can help them find the thing they're looking for. I can help them figure out what's going on behind the symptom they're presenting. And that's, you know, via testimonials, via my website, via my content, all that kind of good stuff. But the biggest thing out of all the things I do are the recordings, because they get to see me, not some fake me. I mean, this is why people talk about, well, AI is going to take over and we'll all be without a job. I completely disagree. Yes, if you are not very strong, if you're not very confident, you're not prepared to do this, do videos, then yeah, you are going to be out of a job. But trust me, when people see you on video, they can decide, you know what, I don't want to work with him. He's not wearing a suit and a tie, or his hair's a mess, or he's got, I hate people in beards, and he's wearing glasses. I don't want to work with somebody like that. Or they go, you know what, this guy's talking a lot of sense. I can work with him. Where do I find his number? So, yeah, there are 8 billion people on this planet, and there are billions of people that don't know me. There are quite a few people that don't like me, but there are still enough people around the world who want to work with me, and that's what's important. So stop overthinking this. Get yourself a camera or use your phone. Doesn't matter what the tech is. Start recording your videos. Don't hide behind the camera. Get yourself in front of the camera. And if you start practicing and practicing and practicing by recording these videos and putting them out there, you'll soon find yourself being very comfortable and not being worried about making mistakes, not being worried about your makeup or your hair not being perfect, or coughing, excuse me, or doing something like that when you're doing a video. It won't matter. And if you go to my YouTube channel, I've got about 300 videos there. And I don't think any one of them is anywhere near what I would call perfect, because I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking to provide information that's going to help people, and answer questions that hopefully is going to help people, and to show people who I am. That's why I do recordings, and that's why I go live. maybe you should just think about doing the same thing.